Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is Gandhism and his policies. So let's talk about it. Mahatma Gandhi, known throughout India as father of nation, was powerful voice for peace and during very volatile time in Indian history. His famous hunger strike and messages of non-violence helped to unite the country. Gandhi's action sparks world attention and ultimately led to India's independence from British on August 15, 1947 and country rise to world superpower in South Asia. So let's talk about his contribution towards India. Number 1. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Karamchand was the name of his father. Honorific title Mahatma Gandhi Great Soul was given to him in 1914. Number 2. Gandhi is often called Bapu in India in terms of endearment. The means father. Number 3. Gandhi fought for much more than independence. His causes included civil rights for women, the abolition of caste system, and the fair treatment of all people regardless of religious. His mother and father had different religious traditions. Number 4. Gandhi demanded fair treatment for untouchables, India's lowest caste. He underwent several fasts to support the cause. He called the untouchables Harijan, which means children of gods. Gandhi ate fruit, nuts, seeds for 5 years, but switched back to strict vegetarian after suffering health problems. He maintained that each person should find their own diet that the best work. Gandhi spent decades experiencing with food, logging the result and tweaking his eating choice. He wrote a book, the name Moral Basis of Vegetarianism. Number 6. Gandhi took an early vow to avoid milk product. However, after his health began to decline, he relented and started drinking goat milk. He sometimes traveled with his goat to ensure that milk was fresh and that he wasn't given cow or buffalo milk. Number 7. Government nutritionists were called in to explain how Gandhi could go 21 days without food. Number 8. The British government wouldn't allow official photo of Gandhi while he was fasting for fear of further fueling the push for independence. Number 9. Gandhi was actually philosopher, anarchist and wanted to no establishment government in India. He felt that if everyone adopted non-violence and a good moral codes, they could be self-governing. Number 10. One of the Mahatma Gandhi's most outspoken politics critics was Winston Churchill. Number 11. Through the pre-arrangement marriage, Gandhi was wed at age 13. His wife Kasturba Gandhi was 1 year older than they were married 62 years. Number 12. Gandhi and his wife had their first child when he was 16 years old. The child died a few days later, but the couple did have 4 sons before he took vow of celibacy. Number 13. Despite being famous for non-violence and involvement in Indian independence movement, Gandhi actually recruited Indians to fight for the Britain during World War I. He opposed Indian involvement in World War II. Number 14. Gandhi's wife died in 1944 while imprisoned in the Aga Khan Palace. Her day of death is celebrated as Mother's Day in India. Gandhi was also imprisoned at the time of her death. Gandhi was released from prison only because he contracted malaria and British officials feared an uprising he to die while in prison. Number 15. Gandhi attended law school in London, was famous among the faculty for his bad writing. Number 16. Mahatma Gandhi's images has appeared on all denomination of India rupees printed since 1996. 17. Gandhi lived for 21 years in South Africa. He was imprisoned there many times as well. Number 18. Gandhi denounced Gandhism, did not want to create cult ties. Following, he was considered that he had nothing new to teach the world. Truth and non-violence as old as hills. Number 19. Gandhi was assassinated by fellow on January 30, 1948, who shot him 3 times at point blank range. More than 2 million people attended Gandhi's funeral. The epitaph on the memorial in New Delhi reads, "O God," which are purposed to be his last word. Number 20. And the urn that one contained Mahatma Gandhi ashes is now at the Shrine in Los Angeles. Here are the top 5 freedom movement by Mahatma Gandhi. Number 1. Quit India movement, 1942. Number 2. Civil obedience movement, 1930. Number 3. Non-cooperation movement, 1920. Number 4. Khilafat agitations, 1919. Number 5. Champaran Satyagraha, 1917. So kids, tell me, what are the 2 principles of Gandhi? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the Gandhism and his policy. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.